All right, ready? Ready?
Yep.
You hear that chop? Woo! Woo! 4 years. 4 years.
Easy killer.
Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of PowerSports on YouTube. We have Anthony, our engine expert. We have Brandon, our master mechanic, and Tyler, who is here helping out. We actually took his, we took your spark plug harness?
Yeah, we took some parts.
Yeah, we took some parts from Tyler's car, so.
I didn't even know about it.
So, we came in today at 5 o'clock after work, and it's 10 o'clock because we had some oil pressure issues and other things. So for the first time in 4 years, this car is going to turn over and fire, hopefully.
Hopefully it's not.
So if you guys notice the new addition, this is number 323 for the American Rally Association, and we will be racing on November 4th and 5th. So stay tuned. So are we ready?
Let's party. It's gonna pop and try. We're gonna give it
Okay.
a time. It's gonna take a little bit.
Gonna take a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna sit in here, just yell at me.
You got it.
Or do you want to open the door, or so I can hear you?
At some level, I may have you start to give some throttle input.
Okay.
So just try and keep it.
Okay,
running
yeah,
if it's
just
stumbling.
yell loud, because I think this car is gonna be pretty
It's gonna be
loud. Okay.
Your neighbors are not. You're gonna know freedom flowing through your veins.
This thing's open header too, isn't it?
Kinda.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Cattle, one cat.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I primed the. Is the fuel pressure up or no?
I have no feeling.
Oh, let me prime it.
There you go.
Okay.
Dead.
4 years. 4 years. Please don't blow up.
You have no fuel pressure right now.
Ah. It drains quickly, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really does. You need to try and start it right now.
What the hell's going on?
How do you keep hearing that noise?
Yeah, I know. I don't like that noise. It sounds like something's scratching or scraping. Like.
Something's hitting something.
Oh, man.
Go ahead and turn it over for me.
I see something, it's coming up on the horizon. Oh, let me clear my head and get rid of the distractions. Oh, I was down when I saw you in the clouds. Out of phase, filled with doubt. I was drifting in and out, levitate, fade away. I had left full time and space, but you just caught my eye. Hey, nah, please won't you come over? Let me get to know ya. Hey, nah, delve into emotion. Leave us in this moment. Yeah. Please won't you come over? Let me get to know ya. Hey, nah, 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 nah. Delve into emotion. Leave us in this moment.
All right, I'm gonna get a quick Instagram video of this though, so
Do it for the gram.
yeah.